There is a moment in every connection where everything feels like it is slipping away. Her energy changes. Her replies slow down. The connection that once felt strong begins to feel uncertain. And this is where most men make the same mistake. They move closer. They try harder. They give more attention. They attempt to fix what they feel is breaking. But something unexpected happens. The more they move forward, the more she pulls away. Because attraction does not respond to pressure. It responds to contrast. And when there is no contrast, when your attention is constant, predictable, and always available, the emotional tension that created attraction begins to fade. This is where the power shift begins. Not when you try more, but when you step back. When a man pulls back in the right way, without anger, without ego, and without emotional reaction, something changes in her mind. The pattern breaks. The attention disappears. The certainty she had about you is gone. And in that uncertainty, something begins to grow. In this video, we are going to break down what really happens inside her mind when you pull back and why this move often creates a reaction she never expects. This is not about manipulation. It is about understanding how absence, silence, and emotional control change attraction. And the first thing that happens when you pull back is something most men completely overlook. Because the moment you step back is the moment she starts noticing you again. Before we start, a quick reminder. The real transformation doesn't happen on YouTube. It happens inside the community. If these videos have opened your eyes, what's inside will rebuild your mindset completely. It's not just a course. It's a brotherhood. A private space where men master attraction, emotional control, and the psychology of power. You don't join for a month. You join for life. Every future course, book, and lesson is yours forever. No subscriptions, no limits. Just one decision that changes your direction. If you're serious about growth, discipline, and purpose, click the link below. Join the community. Enroll once, grow forever. Let's dive in. Shift number 1. She notices the change. Immediately. The first thing that happens when you pull back is simple, but extremely powerful. She notices the change. Before, your behavior followed a pattern. You were consistent. You were available. You showed interest clearly. And over time, that pattern became something she understood. Even if she did not consciously think about it, your presence became part of the dynamic. It was expected. But when you pull back, that expectation breaks. You no longer respond the same way. You no longer give constant attention. You no longer follow the rhythm she became used to. Psychologically, the human mind reacts strongly to change. When something that was once consistent suddenly disappears, it becomes noticeable. Even small changes can create a strong internal reaction. She may not say anything, but she feels it. She may check her phone expecting your message. She may notice that the interaction feels different. The absence of your presence becomes visible. Stoic philosophy reflects this through restraint. A Stoic man does not react impulsively. He chooses when to engage and when to step back. When you pull back calmly, without drama, you create contrast. And contrast creates attention. The difference is subtle but powerful. One man remains constant and becomes invisible. The other changes his pattern and becomes noticeable. And the one who becomes noticeable occupies mental space. Because attention does not follow what is constant. It follows what changes. And once she notices the change, another psychological shift begins. Because shift number 2 explains why your absence creates curiosity in her mind. Shift number 2, your absence triggers curiosity. Once she notices the change, the next shift begins quietly but powerfully. Your absence starts triggering curiosity. Before you pulled back, everything about you felt clear. Your interest was visible. Your attention was consistent. Your behavior was easy to understand. There was no mystery. But when you step back, that clarity disappears. You are no longer as present. You are no longer reacting the same way. You are no longer predictable. And this creates a gap. Psychologically, the human mind is drawn to incomplete situations. When something is unclear, the brain naturally tries to complete the story. Your silence becomes that unfinished story. She may begin asking herself questions. Why did he change? What is he doing now? Did I lose his interest? These questions may not be spoken, but they begin occupying her thoughts. And the more she thinks, the more emotionally involved she becomes. Because attention follows curiosity. Stoic philosophy reflects this through controlled expression. A Stoic man does not reveal everything. He allows space for others to interpret, to wonder, and to think. When you pull back without explanation, you create that space. And in that space, curiosity grows. The difference is powerful. One man explains everything and removes mystery. The other says less and creates intrigue. And the one who creates intrigue stays in her mind. Because once curiosity begins, another shift follows. Because shift number 3 explains why your value increases without you doing anything more. Shift number 3, your value rises without effort. Once curiosity takes hold, another shift begins to form quietly beneath the surface. Your value starts rising without you doing anything more. At first, this may seem strange. Most men believe they need to do more to be valued. More messages, more attention, more effort. But attraction does not follow effort alone. It follows perception. Before you pulled back, your attention was constant. She knew you would reply. She knew you were available. She knew your energy was there. And when something feels guaranteed, the mind stops assigning strong value to it. Not because it is not valuable, but because it feels certain. But the moment you pull back, that certainty disappears. Your attention is no longer predictable. Your presence is no longer constant. Your energy is no longer guaranteed. And psychologically, this creates scarcity. Scarcity increases importance. The brain naturally values what feels limited or uncertain. When something becomes less available, it becomes more noticeable. She may begin seeing you differently. The man who once felt easy to access now feels selective. The man who once reacted now feels composed. The man who once explained now feels controlled. Stoic philosophy reflects this through self-respect. A Stoic man does not give his energy impulsively. He invests it intentionally. When you embody this mindset, your behavior communicates strength without words. The difference is powerful. One man gives everything and becomes easy to access. The other becomes selective and gains value. And the one who gains value becomes harder to ignore. Because once your value increases, another emotional shift begins. Because shift number 4 explains why she starts thinking about you more than before. Shift number 4. She starts thinking about you more. Once your value rises in her perception, another shift begins to develop quietly in the background. She starts thinking about you more. Before you pulled back, your presence was constant. You were there through messages. You were there through attention. You were part of her daily interaction. And because you were always present, there was little need for her to think about you when you were not there. You were already there. But when you step back, everything changes. The interaction stops. The messages disappear. The emotional presence fades. And this creates space. Psychologically, the mind fills empty space with thoughts. When something that was once present is no longer there, the brain begins revisiting it. Moments replay. Conversations return. Feelings resurface. She may start remembering how you made her feel, the energy you brought, and the moments that stood out. This process happens naturally. You are not forcing it. You are allowing it. Stoic philosophy reflects this through detachment. A Stoic man does not try to control how others think about him. He focuses on his own life, allowing others to come to their own conclusions. When you pull back, you give her mind room to process, and that processing increases emotional involvement. The difference is subtle but powerful. Presence fills the moment. Absence fills the mind. And what fills the mind tends to stay longer, because once she starts thinking about you more, another shift begins to form. Because shift number 5 explains why your absence starts feeling stronger than your presence ever did. Shift number 5. Your absence feels stronger than your presence. Once she begins thinking about you more, another deeper shift starts forming beneath the surface. Your absence begins to feel stronger than your presence ever did. When you were constantly there, your attention blended into her daily experience. It was normal, it was expected, it was always available. And because of that, it did not create strong emotional impact over time. The mind adapts to what is constant, but when you pull back, something changes. The space you once filled remains. Only now, it is empty. Psychologically, humans feel absence more intensely than presence. We notice what is missing more than what is available. This is why silence can feel louder than words. She may not immediately think, "I miss him." But she will feel that something is different. The moments that once included your attention now feel quieter. The emotional rhythm has changed. The connection feels incomplete. This creates a subtle emotional gap. Stoic philosophy reflects this through detachment. A Stoic man does not rely on constant presence to maintain connection. He understands that his absence can reveal his value more than his presence. When you remove your attention, you create awareness. The difference is powerful. When something is always there, it becomes invisible. When it disappears, it becomes meaningful. And meaning creates emotional impact. Because once your absence becomes meaningful, another reaction begins. Because shift number 6 explains why she may start feeling a sense of loss without fully understanding it. Shift number 6. She feels a subtle sense of loss. Once your absence becomes meaningful, another emotional layer begins to form quietly beneath the surface. She starts feeling a sense of loss, not always clearly, not always consciously, but it is there. Before, your attention filled certain moments of her day. Your messages created interaction. Your energy created movement. Your presence created familiarity. Even if she did not fully recognize its value at the time, it existed, and the mind becomes used to what exists. But when you pull back, that presence disappears, and the space it once filled remains. Psychologically, the brain is more sensitive to loss than to gain. We often feel the absence of something more strongly than we feel its presence when it is available. This is why silence can create emotional weight. She may begin noticing that something is missing. The interaction feels different. The connection feels incomplete. The rhythm is no longer the same. This creates a subtle emotional gap. Stoic philosophy reflects this through non-attachment. A Stoic man does not rely on constant interaction to maintain connection. He understands that his presence should not be taken for granted. When you remove your attention, you allow its value to be felt. The difference is important. Presence feels normal. Absence feels noticeable. And what becomes noticeable becomes meaningful. Because once that feeling of loss begins to grow, another shift often follows. Because shift number 7 explains why she may begin trying to reconnect with you in ways you didn't expect. Shift number 7, she starts reaching out when you least expect it. The final shift is the one most men never see coming. It is the moment when she starts reaching out. At the beginning, you were the one investing more. You were sending messages. You were maintaining the interaction. You were keeping the connection alive. Your attention was directed toward her. But when you pulled back, everything changed. You stopped chasing. You stopped reacting. You stopped making her the center of your focus. And slowly, the direction of energy began to shift. Now she is the one thinking more. She is the one feeling the absence. She is the one noticing the change. And that leads to action. She may send a message that feels casual. She may react to something small. She may try to reconnect in a way that does not fully show her intention. But behind that action, there is a psychological process. She is checking if the connection still exists. She is testing if your attention is still available. And she is trying to understand the new dynamic. Stoic philosophy reflects this through consistency. A Stoic man does not change his behavior just because attention returns. He remains grounded, focused, and in control. When you respond calmly, without returning to old patterns, you maintain your position. The difference is powerful. One man pulls back, but loses control when she returns. The other remains centered and keeps the dynamic balanced. And the man who remains centered becomes the one who leads. Because leadership in attraction is not about force, it is about stability. Shift number 8. She starts respecting you more. The 8th shift is deeper than attraction. It is respect. And this is the part most men completely miss. Attraction can come and go. Emotions can change. Interest can fluctuate. But respect is what stabilizes everything. When you are constantly chasing, reacting, and giving attention without boundaries, you may have created interest, but you slowly reduced respect. Not because you were not valuable, but because your behavior showed that your attention was easy to access. And what is easy to access is rarely respected at a high level. But when you pull back with control, something changes. You stop reacting impulsively. You stop chasing validation. You stop making her the center of your world. And this communicates something powerful without words. You have standards. You have self-control. You have a life beyond her. Psychologically, respect grows when someone sees that you are not easily controlled by emotions or external behavior. When she realizes that her actions no longer dictate your reactions, her perception of you changes. You no longer appear dependent. You appear grounded. Stoic philosophy reflects this clearly. A Stoic man values his inner stability more than external outcomes. He does not chase approval. He builds himself. And that creates respect. The difference is powerful. One man reacts and loses his position. The other stays composed and strengthens it. And the man who strengthens his position becomes more respected. Because respect is not built through words. It is built through behavior. And once respect is established, attraction becomes stronger, more stable, and more lasting. Because in the end, it is not just about making her notice you again. It is about becoming the kind of man she cannot easily ignore anymore. In short, pulling back is often misunderstood. Many people see it as a tactic, but in reality, it is a shift in mindset. It is about removing emotional dependence. It is about regaining control of your attention. It is about focusing on your own life. When you pull back in the right way, something changes. You break the pattern. You create curiosity. You increase your value. You give space for reflection. And slowly, the dynamic begins to shift. She notices the change. She starts thinking more. She feels the absence. She begins questioning. And eventually, she may reach out. Not because you forced it, but because your absence changed how she perceives you. Stoic philosophy teaches that true power comes from self-control, not from controlling others, but from controlling your own actions, emotions, and decisions. When you apply this mindset, you stop chasing attention. You become selective. You become grounded. And that changes everything. Because the goal is not to make her react. The goal is to become the kind of man who does not need to chase. And sometimes, that is exactly what makes her come back.